All right. Everyone remembers John.
Hi,
G'day.
everyone. Hello.
From Emona. He's going to show us this thing, which is the Nano Dimension as the company.
Yep, correct. Israeli company.
3D printer multi-layer PCB. They're an Israeli company. And he doesn't have one because there's only one in the country.
Correct, yes.
Can we say where it is? It's at the University of Technology, and that's what it is.
They're just installing it at the moment.
Yep.
It is commercial, so it is selling commercially.
Oh, okay.
Prototype PCBs, not manufacturing PCBs.
Right.
So it's for rapid prototype turnaround,
Yep.
keeping IP in-house.
And so tell us about this. This is a multi-layer. Tell us the spec. Do you know the exact tech specs?
Not off the top of my head, no.
But it's at least multi-layer board.
Yep, so you do up to 16 layers. So it's a twin ink system with dielectric ink and silver conductive ink, and it just prints basically a layer at a time. So dielectric and then the silver conductive. For printing, say, a through hole, you just don't print. So you print around it.
And it builds it up. So it builds it's not a woven fiberglass, it actually builds up the resin internally around.
Yeah, it's like a
Via,
liquid.
is that it?
Yeah, they're like a liquid, and then it cures as it's printing. So it prints and then cures.
Very cool. And it can do up to 16 layers, is that the limit?
Yes, currently.
Yep.
But it's a product still undergoing development changes
Right.
and
You're saying-
enhancements.
And you're saying the max temperature though, that's one of the problems.
It's one of the issues with some automated soldering at this stage, is it's a lower temperature that's hoping to be improved soon. We think there's a new ink coming out relatively soon, which will bump that up.
So it's about 140 degrees at the moment, maximum?
yes. But
So it won't go through a reflow machine?
No, but that will change very
Right.
soon.
And how does it survive soldering then? Hand soldering?
Hand soldering,
Yep.
or there's some specialised solder that's a leaded solder
Right.
that you can have your oven with a lower temperature profile and for a shorter duration time. So
Okay.
they do have temperature profiles for automated solder, but we're being told it won't be long before there's high temperature inks available.
And if you have to ask the price, you can't afford it, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So we're not talking tens of Ks, we're talking
No, Australian ballpark figure on them is over 300,000.
300,000. Wow. That's a serious bit of kit. But how many customers do you reckon there'd be in Australia for something like this?
Oh.
If it was,
Probably, even at that high price, there'd be 10.
10 customers
10 within Australia.
Yeah.
Yeah, predominantly, defence are one.
Yep.
Keep IP in-house.
Yeah, they'd easily spend 300K on a prototype machine to keep the IP
In-house. And
yeah.
turnaround, do your design today, print overnight.
Shame we can't see one here, but because it's a $300,000 machine and there's only one in the country, yeah, I'm afraid. But maybe I can go get a sneak peek at it, perhaps. So, more to come. Thanks, John.